main duty here is even to guide you to make the work easier. One of the common mistakes people think is that, and one of the things mindset I would like you to fight is that forex simply is how will I say it? In forex, wealth is just simply, in forex, it's just simply a transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. So you see those impatient traders, you see those guys that cannot wait for their setups to build and then be able to monitor things. You see that they tend to lose more. And then to the ones that can be patient enough to allow markets and everything that want to happen, you can see them that they are making the most out of it. So let me just write this here. We have this price. It's one of the things that helps me each time I trade, to just know that no matter what happens, no matter how bad the market could be that week, there is still hope in the long run. So our equity curve, I know so many persons coming into the forex market are just believing that once they start from that 0.0 here, having funded the account maybe from a $0 here, and then they're looking at getting up here, where you're going to be handing up to $1 million and more than that. So many persons just believe that the very day they will start forex, and forex is just too easy, that boom, as straight as this. This is even time and price. So let's say this is December now, 2021, and then this other time here is maybe December next year. In less than 1 year, in short, 1 year is even too much. Some persons believe that like this, in less than 2 months, they should be able to hit $1 million all the way from $0. And they feel that is how the magic grows. You get so, but it can never happen that way. Your equity curve can never be that way. It can never be that way. So you allow time and price to do its thing. Some days there will be profit. From zero, some persons might even start with a loss by going down first before the up move. So all that we are looking at is that we allow price to do its thing, we allow time to do. Sometimes there will be just in this week, you'll be having losses, your money is going down, and then all of a sudden we're going to wake up again. The general thing is that at the long run, when price and time has done its things, that will become profitable at the end. So forex is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something we just come and then want to do and then become rich. So there are going to be days of ups, there are going to be days of downs. And disclaimer, please, there is no strategy that is 100%. So even as we that are teaching you too, we take losses, we take a whole lot of losses, but with the proper risk management, it's when it gets to that time, we're going to discuss it very well. With proper risk management, we can manage our risk. And even when we take losses, no matter how much we take, a profit can return back our losses, even with extra profits. So it's something that we do. It's something that is how we view the market. So I believe with time, we're going to look at it. So these are the course outlines of the things we're going to be doing.
Yourself. So these are the things we're going to look at. And we're going to look at the general overview of forex. What is pips? Brokers, you need to understand these things, types of analysis, candlesticks, risk management. I tell you that in forex, the main thing itself is not even the strategy. The main thing is not even how to approach the market. The main thing is not even how you do what the mastery you have in terms of analyzing charts. In forex, the main thing is your psychology and risk management. With the proper psychology and a proper risk management, trust me, I tell you the very truth, whether you are so skilled or not so skilled, with a very good risk management technique and then good psychology, you can make the most out of the forex market. But you see some guys very skilled, but they lack this skill, which is the risk management skill and then the psychology also. So we were going to also be discussing that. What is trading view, understanding the website, market structure, identifying trends. How do you approach market structure? Where do you see the price is going to turn out from, and all these things. So these are all we're going to look at. These are all the things we're going to consider, right from this basics, from number 1 down to number, that should be 26, not 37, sorry, to 26, where we'll now begin to discuss open interest, seasonalities, London sessions, New York sections, and other advanced stuff. But of course, we're not going to jump with the end, so we have to gain a good foundation and then see how far we can go. And one thing I just want to assure you that I'm giving my all, I'm giving my very best. So for your sakes too, I'm studying very hard. For your sakes, I'm practicing. For your sake, I'm doing everything good thing I can do to see that in the long run, you become profitable, and at the same time, I become profitable. So we're giving our best. So you owe us too on your own side by just participating. We're going to give assignments. The purpose of the assignments is not to stress you. The purpose of the assignment is just to help you monitor your growth so you can grow fast. And then wherever you're making mistakes, we can come in and correct you and say, okay, look, this is the right way to do this. This is the right way to do that. So this is just basically what it's all about. And please, as we continue going, anytime you have challenges, you have questions, please do well to let us know. We're going to share materials. We'll share some PDFs you can read. If need be, for some videos, we share things. We share a whole lot of things. The issue is that you just be free. You just be financially stable. You just be financially free, and gain that financial freedom to be able to do things that you want to do when you want to do it at whatever point, and to as much to the degree you want to do it. So that is what we're just coming here basically to do. So you learn and then you earn at the same time. This is what we're offering you. So please, as you said, your participation is needed. Your participation is needed. So even while you're trying to earn, I will suggest also that while you're creating or registering under a broker to be earning while learning, also try to have a demo account. You have to register a demo account for practice. Don't practice with the real account that you're using to earn. Just use that real account to be making the money that you can be getting from the trade signals. Don't practice there. You can get a demo account and be practicing all that we're going to be learning. Then in the course of time, or when time is due, you can now begin to take your own trades and your own self. So you don't begin to blow accounts. And get ready, of course, you're going to have sleepless nights. Some days you put in money, you will lose it. A whole lot of things will happen for you before you now become, for your heart to become so free to be able to bear loss. It happens. So just get set for it. Get set for it, fam. So that is just it. Basically, this